Governor Cuomo and more state lawmakers, they are giving a thumbs down on a request for a tax break from the owner of the Del Lago Casino just east of Rochester. But some question how a gaming hall ends up with the image of a loser when it comes to gaming revenues. Doing your sides, Ron Plant spoke today with a UB finance professor who says it's also a game of expectations when it comes to casinos.
Some viewers say it's a location sandwiched between Rochester and Syracuse. Others feel the winning payouts are poor. And the Rochester-based mall developer, which owns the $440 million Del Lago Casino, claims the Seneca casinos here in Western New York have too many incentives and promotions stemming from cash they're not paying to the state in their dispute. But a UB School of Management finance professor says maybe Del Lago and other new casinos in New York State just promise too much in their sales pitch to the state and local governments.
The report for these 3 new casinos that just opened is that they're falling short of very aggressive projections that were made when they were looking to get the bid for the license when we expanded gaming in New York State. So one of the reasons they're falling short could be not that their business model is wrong, but the projections were too high.
Del Lago revenues came in 44% or $100 million under their first-year projection. Then there's the saturation question. First raised when the state offered new casino licenses in 2014, there's a battle for betting bucks in, around, and even out of state.
There's definitely competition between casinos, not just the commercial privately run casinos, but the casinos run by the Seneca Nation, Oneida Nation. They're going to fight back.
Finally, on Del Lago's destination resort casino status.
The setup is that people will travel to them from other states, and that would bring money into New York. So far, it doesn't look like that has hit its projection.
Professor Moore says, to be fair, the first year for a business in a high-stakes field like gambling can be hard, and some of the connected hotels and restaurants at some of the casinos not fully open, so they may need time to catch customers. But we can also look to places like Atlantic City for casinos that closed. Ron Plant's Channel 2 News.